Welcome back, creators. Are you ready to take your channel to the absolute next level without breaking the bank? If you want to shoot crystal clear, professional-grade videos, you have found the right place. Today, we are reviewing the best camera for YouTube to help you record stunning footage, capture incredible audio, and grow your audience fast. We have lined up 5 fantastic cameras designed specifically for vloggers and filmmakers. Let's dive right in.
Product number 1. DJI Osmo Nano Standard Combo. The DJI Osmo Nano Standard Combo is an absolute game changer for active vloggers and travel creators who need ultra-compact, high-performance gear. This tiny powerhouse features a brilliant 1x1.3-inch CMOS sensor that captures breathtaking 35-megapixel photos and silky smooth 4K video at 60 frames per second. Its standout feature is the incredibly versatile dual-sided magnetic mounting system, which allows you to attach the camera directly to your clothing or accessories for hands-free, first-person recording. Paired with the multifunctional vision dock, you get an integrated OLED touchscreen for easy framing and an extended battery life that delivers up to 200 minutes of continuous shooting. Furthermore, the Osmo Nano is fully waterproof up to 10 meters without needing a separate housing. If you want a rugged, pocket-sized camera that delivers premium video quality and unmatched mounting creativity, this DJI model is an absolute must-have for your channel.
Product number 2. Kimera Video Camera. Next up is the Kimera Video Camera, a phenomenal entry-level option designed for creators who want traditional camcorder functionality without a massive price tag. This lightweight device shoots crisp 1080p Full HD video and captures sharp 24-megapixel still photos, making it a fantastic starting point for basic YouTube recording. One of its best features is the 3-inch screen that rotates a full 270 degrees, allowing you to perfectly frame yourself while filming solo vlogs or talking head segments. It also boasts a robust 16x digital zoom, giving you the flexibility to capture distant subjects with ease. The Kimera comes equipped with essential features like anti-shake technology, a built-in fill light for low-light environments, and a convenient pause function that lets you seamlessly resume recording in the same file. It is incredibly user-friendly and perfect for beginners looking for a simple, budget-conscious recording solution.
Product number 3. ZDI 4K Video Camera. Coming in at number 3 is the ZDI 4K Video Camera, a heavily upgraded camcorder that brings ultra-high-definition recording to budget-conscious creators. This impressive device captures stunning 4K video and massive 64-megapixel photos, ensuring your YouTube content looks sharp and vibrant. It features a 3-inch IPS touchscreen with 270 degrees of rotation, offering intuitive menu navigation and perfect self-framing capabilities. What truly sets the ZDI apart is its built-in infrared night vision, which utilizes an IR cut filter to shoot high-contrast black and white footage in total darkness. The camera also functions seamlessly as a plug-and-play webcam for your live streams. Packaged with a wireless remote control, a 32GB memory card, and dual high-capacity batteries, this multifunctional vlogging camera delivers tremendous out-of-the-box value for anyone wanting 4K resolution and advanced features on a budget.
Product number 4. FJFJOPK 4K Video Camera. Our fourth contender is the FJFJOPK 4K Video Camera, perfectly tailored for aspiring YouTubers who need a reliable and versatile content creation tool. This model records beautifully detailed 4K Ultra HD video at 30 frames per second and boasts an impressive 48-megapixel image sensor. Like our previous models, it includes a rotating 3-inch touchscreen for effortless vlogging and self-recording. The FJFJOPK truly excels in its connectivity and extra accessories, featuring built-in Wi-Fi that allows you to connect the camera directly to your smartphone app for instant video transfer and remote control operation. It also ships with an external microphone to drastically improve your audio quality, a lens hood to block unwanted glare, and a handheld stabilizer to keep your moving shots incredibly smooth. If you are looking for a comprehensive, all-in-one bundle to instantly upgrade both your video and audio, this camera kit is fantastic.
Product number 5. Suddy Camcorder Video Camera. Rounding out our list is the Suddy Camcorder Video Camera, a highly affordable and feature-rich option for everyday content creators. This model delivers excellent 2.7K Ultra HD video alongside crisp 36-megapixel photography, finding a great middle ground between standard high definition and massive 4K files. The 3-inch flip screen makes monitoring your shots incredibly simple, while the 16x digital zoom provides plenty of reach for capturing varying perspectives. The Suddy camcorder is packed with creative shooting modes, including time-lapse recording, slow-motion capture, and a continuous shooting function to ensure you never miss an action shot. Additionally, its seamless webcam integration makes it a valuable asset for YouTube live streaming and online tutorials. Lightweight and exceptionally easy to operate, this camera is a fantastic choice for students, casual vloggers, or anyone seeking a dependable, straightforward video camera to document their daily lives and build their channel.
Thank you for watching the video till the end. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.